Hi guys, Dawn here from Creative Appliques. Happy Crafternoon. Thanks for joining me. If you are a subscriber of my channel, thanks so much and welcome back. Happy to have you. If you're new to my channel, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe. And if you like this content, give it a thumbs up so I know that you enjoy my content and I will continue loading more. Also, when you subscribe, make sure to hit the bell so you will be notified when I upload new videos. This video I'm going to go through how I uploaded a pleating guide to show you how to pleat for the In the Hoop face mask. I know some people have been having a hard, challenging time with it, so I came up with a pleating guide to assist with that. So you could do it with regular paper. I did it with cardstock that works great. This one I used probably 50 times. It's just regular printer paper and it worked awesome. So let's go through what you need to do. You can download the file from either my Facebook fan group, Creative Appliques Facebook fan group. You can also download it from your account on the website with the design. So this is just regular printer paper, and where it says fold out, fold in, fold out, fold in, we're going to make 3 of them. So the easiest way that I found to do it is turn the paper over, and you can see the line here. And so match up the sides right here so you get a nice straight even fold. Okay, so that's fold out, but then I also do the same thing with the fold in so I can see it, so I can get a consistent even line on the fold there. Okay, and I just continue on down the sheet doing that. So match up the sides of the paper and fold on the line. So we're folding on the red and the gray lines. We're not folding on the top one here. We don't fold that one down because this is for piece C, for the fabric piece C. So I am just doing the red and the gray lines that say fold out, fold in. So a total of 3 red and 3 gray. So now I go back and they're all folded and they're all folded out, okay? But that's the easiest way to get the perfect straight line. And so now I just, it's made a crease in the paper, so now it makes it easier to just fold it in and fold it in. And last time, fold it in, okay? And that's ready to go for your pleating guide. If you, excuse me, if you want to make 2 of them, I'll show you how you can use one with 2 of them together to create the fold easier on the fabric. So now I'm going to take the cardstock, and I have a little trick here that makes it easier to fold cardstock because cardstock can be kind of challenging because it is thicker. So what I do is I have an X-Acto knife. Okay, this is my X-Acto knife, and I'm going to turn it over because what I want to do is I want to use the tip of it here. I don't want to cut the paper, I just want to score it, all right? So I'm going to take the X-Acto knife and I'm going to take my ruler and go along all of these 6 lines, the fold lines, okay? And that way I'm going to make a little score. I don't want to cut through the paper again. It's just a guideline to be able to get the paper to fold easier. Oh, see? Got to be careful you go straight. And again, not too deep, just scoring the paper so that it will assist and fold easier. Okay, so now that we've scored it, you can fold it much easier. All right, so let's start here, fold out, and just use your fingers and guide it to fold in, and again, fold out, and fold in. And this is the way I found it to give a really straight, consistent, even line for the folds. And there we go. We have it all ready to go. And now let's go talk about how to use the pieces. One thing you want to be aware of when you do print this out, you want to make sure you don't reduce the size at all. So it's going to be a printer setting and you're going to have to know how to do that, but it's a setting where you are going to have to not scale to fit or don't reduce the size of it. That's what this 2-inch guideline is here. So when you print it out, you want to make sure that this line here is 2 inches. So this way you'll know that this is the correct size that you printed out. Okay? Okay, so now we're going to go over how to use the pleating guide with the fabric. So I have the pleating guide here that we created. We printed out and we folded, okay, according to the lines. So now what you see here where it says small, medium, large, extra large. This is for piece A. Piece A is the front piece that we don't press down any of the edges. So it's all just the raw edges. And this is for the size mask you're making. So if you're making a small mask, so we'll start with that first. So the small is right here, and I have my piece A, okay, for my small mask. And I line it up on this line right here. Now, one of the things that I did find that was easy to do is, and I'm left-handed, so this is why I'm moving it to the left side of the paper, but if you're right-handed, you'll probably want to do it on the right side. If you have any kind of clips, anything could work, but these are quilting clips. So all you simply do is clip it down, fold it in, and fold it in for the 3rd time. Okay? And there's your pleats. And now you iron it down. It's not going to damage the paper or anything. And now unclip the clips, and you can simply slide it out and then press it again. And then this piece is ready to go. All right? So that was the small. Let's try it with the medium. Yeah, the medium, okay? So you just flatten the paper out, all right? You take your medium piece and you meet it up to the medium line here. You don't have to worry about the bottom. The bottom doesn't matter because you've already cut the pieces of fabric to the size that you need. Clip it into place, hold the fabric, and fold. I like to use my thumbs and fold, okay? Iron it. Slide out the paper, set the folds again, and your piece is ready to go, okay? So that's for the A pieces. Now, one of the things I mentioned is you can use 2 pieces of paper if you want, all right? So this is the large piece A. So you can put that there, line it up to the line that says large, put another piece of paper right on top of it, line it up, and then you can just clip it all together, right? You don't have to clip it. Once you get, a little more confidence, you don't have to clip it at all. You can simply just go ahead and do it without the clips. But now you just fold, fold, and fold. And you want to unclip. You can press through the 2 pieces like that. Pull out the top. Slide the bottom out. Repress. And there you go. Let's try that one more time with the large piece. So flatten them all out. Flatten both pieces out. Take your large piece. Sorry, this is the extra large. The last one was a large. This is the extra large. Now the extra large, because of how wide the mask is, it's going to extend over. This is just a basic 8.5 by 11 piece of cardstock, so it's going to extend out here. That's not going to matter. So just line it up with the top of the line there that says extra large. Align the other piece of paper up. Clip, clip. Grab both the top and the bottom piece. I have it's sandwiched between my fingers. Okay. Fold, fold, fold. Press. And it's ready to go. Okay, so now let's talk about piece C, the C pieces. All right, so with the C pieces, remember, we turn it over once and then twice. All right, and then we press to have that finished edge inside the pocket, because this is the top of the inside of the pocket. Right, the top of the top of the bottom piece pocket. So the pocket that is down near the chin. Okay, so this is for the chin one. All right, so now where it says here, piece C, fold here. That's where the fold. This is the fold I'm talking about. The fold in the fabric. So we place that right there. Line that up. Right, it doesn't matter. All of the sizes, the small, the medium, large, extra large, are all going to go on this line. We no longer use this, okay? This is only, like it says, for piece A. This is for piece C, for all of the sizes, every size, okay? Clip it, fold it, fold it, fold it, press it, slide it out. All right, and then you might want to do one extra little press there. So that was the small, okay? Now, let's do the medium. We have to do the folded over edge at the top. Okay? Flatten it out, place it on the line where it says fold for C. Oops. Hold it, sandwich it between your fingers, fold, fold, fold. Press. And press. All right. Now there's one more option I wanted to talk about that you could do as well, and this might be work easier for some people. Just wanted to put it out there. So you could take the piece that you have already created, and on the back you could tape it closed. You could tape it so that the folds are going to stay like this, okay? And so what you could do is you could take the piece of fabric and you use your thumbs or your fingers to simply press it in there. So this is another option as well. So this, we will take this piece, this is a large, okay? And you can line it up there. You can clip it if you wish. Now with this way of doing it, you're not going to clip it on the bottom. All right, so have it lined up with there. I hold it with my top fingers and I take my thumbs and I simply press it in, and whoops, I missed the top one. Sorry about that. Okay, so I hold it with my fingers. Here is the first fold, okay? So I'm holding it here so it lines up. Take my thumbs and I'm going to press it in, and press it in. And that may be even easier than trying to constantly fold it, okay? So I'll try it one more time. I'll show you with the large piece since that one extends over to the sides. So remember, this one is taped on the back, so we're not going to unfold this. Here is for the extra large. So I'm going to clip it, and it lines up with that top line. So if we're doing piece A, correct? Piece C, same thing, but it's going to go right here. Okay? Clip it. You only clip this on the top. When it's taped on the back, you only clip it on the top. Okay? Now, here's the folds. So, holding it with my fingers here, taking my thumbs and pushing it in, and pushing it in. Okay? And then you can press and press. This file is, this PDF is available in the Creative Appliques Facebook group. It is also uploaded to the website and is available for download if you have already gotten the design. So either way, if you're in the Facebook group, you can download it directly from there. If you're not, please join us. We have a lot of fun and share our projects and get help and have a wonderful community there. And if you want to just go ahead and grab it from the website, you can. Thanks again for joining me. Please subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you next time. Make your life creative.